Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior diamond style grille, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, opening up the tailgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 17,419 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.